I think you're really gonna love this eye balm stick. I was really excited to receive this eye balm stick for a review from Wonder Family. This eye balm stick has got a lot of great ingredients. It's got niacinamide. Let me read it for you. Camellia japonica, I'm not sure what that is, jojoba, aloe, turmeric, vitamin E, and it's made in Korea, and you know the Korean beauty is like the bomb. It comes like this, in this little stick, pops out, and it's just works like a lipstick, rolls up, and it's kind of blue, which doesn't make much of a difference, but you'll see it goes on. I kind of just put it like this and like this. I do it morning and night, and I've noticed, especially on my upper eyelids and like down here, I've noticed a really difference in my hydration. And when I do put on concealer, the concealer just works better because it's going onto a hydrated surface. And I like to put it there just for some little bit of extra moisturizer. It's not too greasy. It's very lightweight, and I'm really loving it. The key to looking good as you get older is moisture, moisture, moisture. The more moisture you can get, the better. And this is really a great product to achieve that. So if you are looking to moisturize, reduce the appearance of your fine lines, I highly recommend this stick.